friendos, today is super exciting around here because one of the most gargantuan palettes of all time has now launched at Sephora and it just landed on my doorstep. Bless the heart of the poor mailman who had to lift this package. I hope you guys are ready to check it out. All right, do you mind handing me the box? Oh God! Friendos, behold, the Natasha Denona Baby Gold palette is here. Today we're going to be testing this out to see if it is a great little treat to have in a stocking stuffer or hanging on the tree, ready to gift one of your family members for Christmas. So without any further shenanigans, let's get to it. Friendos, just stay tuned. So I'm going to take it out of its little packaging. So it's going to be the same size as one of her mini palettes, except for it's only 3. So to give you an idea, this is the mini gold. Here's the baby gold. It's right around 1/3 of the size. I think that the pans in this palette are just slightly smaller than the ones in here. No, I think they actually are the same size. They are. The packaging on this is just a little bit more bulky. So guys, if you are considering gifting this, just know that these shades already exist inside the gold palette. They all swatched really nicely. Both mattes feel very nice and creamy, true to the Natasha Denona regular formula. And the gold, of course, it swatched beautifully as well. So let's go ahead and do a look and make sure that same formulation that I'm feeling on my hand translates to the eyes. So I'm going to start out with my Sonia G Blender Pro. We'll go into the little light tan tawny shade in the palette. And it's going on very nicely. Fantastic pigmentation here, and it is blending out exactly how you want a Natasha Denona eyeshadow to blend out. Quickly and easily. Then on an NJC E10, we'll go in with the chocolatey brown shade. So do you guys own the original gold palette? I regret that I had not really gotten into Natasha Denona at the time that it launched and I didn't pick it up, and now I think it's discontinued. And that pretty like blue gold shade has always haunted me that I don't have that in my collection. I just think it's so beautiful. And I can't tell you how nicely this is going on. When Natasha is at her best, you guys, she is top tier when it comes to the matte performance. And we're going to try this gold shade without any spray on a crappy Anastasia brush. This thing is so old, look at this. This is looking nice, and this is without any spray. Now let's see what it can do with spray. Wow, it looks like molten metal gold. So for those of you thinking about gifting this palette, so far I'm really impressed with it. Natasha is one of those just top quality formulations. It's very luxe. It's good for beginners, and it's good. I mean, it's good for everyone, but especially people who aren't experts at blending and buffing and diffusing, people who are new to the makeup game and maybe aren't comfortable coming up with their own looks. The color stories are always very easy to follow, and the formulation is also really creamy, so it doesn't tug on the eyes. It's excellent for people with textured eyelids, wrinkly eyelids, for moms and grandmas. It just performs really well on everyone. Also, I feel like this color story is universally flattering. It's gonna look good on a variety of skin tones, and it's very holiday and flashy with the metallic gold. Okay, so with my Refer 03, I'm gonna go back into the dark brown shade, and I'm going to buff and blend out my fake eyeliner that I've put down with that shade. So what are you gifting your family and friends this year? Any makeup by any chance? This year I'm actually not gifting a lot and I'm not getting a lot. My sister and I have decided that for Christmas we are going to take a 2-week long vacation, which is insane. If you guys only knew, I'm a total workaholic and I haven't taken a real vacation in years. But yeah, our gift to each other is just going to be our time spent together and having fun on a nice tropical vacation. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop off camera for just a moment. I'll be right back to you guys, and when I come back, I'll have my lashes and my liner done. All right, I'm back. I put on my blush, put in my earrings. Let's get into something new that I haven't got to try out for myself yet. So this was on sale on Sephora. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Mini Red Fantasy Lip Trio. I believe this came out around Valentine's Day, but I didn't pick it up then. I've picked it up now. Let's see how it looks on the lips. So this set is normally $25. It comes with the Bloodlust lip liner, the Aliengenic Mini Lust gloss, and the Elson 3 Matte Trance lipstick. So this lip liner is definitely more hot pink than true red. I personally like true reds on myself and red oranges more so than like a pinky red. Then I'm going to go over that with the Elson 3. Interestingly enough, this one looks more of a true red. And this is a true matte opaque. It's very smoothing to the lips. I'm really impressed with the lipstick. And not that I think I really need gloss, like I think it looks good enough already, but let's go ahead and try it out. Ooh, I really like the effect this gives. I think I just contaminated this lip gloss a bit, don't you think? It's okay though. To be honest, I'm not someone who likes sparkly lip gloss that often. It's okay. Still though, I think the effect is really pretty. And I think I'm ready for a Christmas party. What do you guys think? All right, friendos, I am not gonna hold you guys up any longer. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know if you plan on picking up the mini gold palette. What do you think about the value of this? This is $19. These are normally $25. And then the big 5-pan palettes are normally around $40. I don't think it's that bad of a price, especially if you can score it during the Sephora sale, which is just a few days away. I want to thank all of you who watched all the way to the end for enduring my idiocy today. We really do try to make these videos fun and entertaining for you guys as well as informative, so I really do hope that you get that every time you come here. As always, I wish you all a phenomenal rest of your day. Please don't hesitate to give this video a like if you did enjoy it, and of course I hope that you will subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the shadows of never knowing what could have been. All right guys, have a great one. Bye.